the star of the movie Top Gun 1985, co-star Tom Cruise. Here come the Merlin Howard.
Once we get the three aircraft recovered and off of the runway,
he jumped the gun on the start. Let's see if the F-110 engine on the F-16 Fighting Falcon with Garrett, Mace, Dover at the controls can overtake him. Oh, what a race between a 1941 Interstate Cadet and a 1999 F-16 Fighting Falcon. I think we know who's gonna win.
Let me hear you, Sacramento. You hear me? Ready for some jet noise? How's this? I'd like to dedicate this next maneuver, and more specifically this next song, to Mrs. Jackie Dover. Happy anniversary, you two. Watch now as Captain Dover revisits his aircraft and demonstrates the low altitude, high-speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he'll be traveling at just under the speed of sound at 650 miles per hour, but that's still less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2.
No matter how much I prepare for it, still I know. Can't you forget, too? Yeah.
Captain Dover is now slowing the F-16 to prepare for a slow-speed pass. While the Viper can fly more than twice the speed of sound, slow-speed control is just as important to those who fly it. As he approaches, notice the gray paint scheme of the F-16 designed to make it more difficult to identify in conditions ranging from bright sky to dull overcast. When he reaches show center, Captain Dover will apply full afterburner, accelerating his aircraft into a nearly vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-to-weight ratio, a maneuver we proudly call the muscle fly.
Now, from behind and to your right, Viper West Heritage proudly presents the Dedication Pass. Flying information today, a World War II era P-38 Lightning flown by none other than Mr. Steve Hinton. on your United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon, tail number 2149, piloted by Captain Garrett Mace Dover. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, the first of 3 Heritage Flight passes. Dedicate today's Heritage Flight to all the wounded warriors and veterans in attendance whose sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedom. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation flight of classic and current Air Force aircraft. Now turn with me a little high overhead for the third and final pass. Your United States Air Force Heritage this rare glance at over 60 years of Air Force.
Mr. Steve Hinton, and one of only maybe 6 viable P-38 fighters.
I gotta close my eyes. And take off and land.
Wow.
Because to sit there and watch the
Captain Garrett Dover in your F-16.
Michael, thank you very much. Boy, what a tremendous display that was. Brought to you by the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation. That's www.airforceheritageflight.org. As I mentioned, up until 2010, the Department of Defense funded this program, and now you have it all. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to Staff Sergeant Michael Balika. Thank you, Mikey. Nice job, partner. As we see the P-38 coming up and getting ready to do a victory roll. And holding it inverted. 2 points of a 4-point rollout with the twin aces in World War II. Lieutenant Richard Long and Captain Tommy McGuire.
And with 29,000 pounds of thrust and the ability to fly well over 1.5 times the speed of sound, that is your United States Air Force's F-16 Fighting Falcon!
Areas with flight simulators tethered together, you can experience real-time aerial combat, and young aviators can test pilot a variety of aircraft, including the space shuttle with desktop simulators. Visit SAFE to explore and learn more. Thank you for joining us at the Air Show.
Coming up in just a moment, we're going to go up 6